Good morning, everyone. Welcome for another vlog about the inspiring story and real story sometimes. Some people grow up with food on the table, clothes on their back, and roof over their head, but still feel empty inside. This is the story of a person who never felt love in her own family, and because of that, she spent her life desperately searching for it in others. The title of the message for today is a girl who grew up without love and looked for it in the wrong place. Some people grow up surrounded by people, but still feel completely alone. She never felt love in her own family. No hugs, no words like I'm proud of you. No one asking how her heart was doing. So she grew up believing love has to be searched for outside. When someone showed her attention, she thought it was love. When someone stayed, she gave everything. She ignored red flag, accepted pain, and stayed silent because she was afraid of being abandoned again. She was not weak. She was just thirsty for real love. But instead of healing, she kept breaking herself, trying to be enough to people who never knew how to love her. One day she realized something painful. She wasn't asking for too much. She was asking for wrong people. The love she was chasing in others was the love she never received as a child. And that's when healing began. She learned that attention is not love, silence is not peace, and real love never makes you feel small. If you grow up without love, please remember this. You are not alone. You don't need to beg for love. You need to build it within yourself. When you stop being thirsty for love, you stop drinking poison. And another lesson of this message is about attention is not love. Being thirsty for love is dangerous. You are not broken. Heal before you love again. If this message touched your heart, remember this. You are not alone. And healing process is possible. So don't forget to subscribe and click the notification bell para manonotify ka once na mag-upload tayo ng panibagong video. And then the part 2 of healing process will be uploaded soon. And just stay tuned and God bless everyone.